Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to model the uh, opening of crack in a steel plate. So for that you have to create this model. So there is a V notch here, and then you have to create a partition here, which is denoting a crack. Once part is created, you go to the property module and create a steel property, so which is 210 gigapascal and zero point 0.3 is the poison which I have taken. Create a section, so steel section you need to create, which is this, and then you need to assign this section to the steel plate. Once this is done, you go to assembly. You just need to select this instance, which is a steel plate. There are no other parts, so you don't need to do anything else. Next is step. In the step, you have to create a static general step. Automatic stabilization, you keep it as just specific dissipated energy fraction. Time period as 1. You can take these increments. Once step is done, you go to interaction. In interaction, you go to the special crack, assign seam. So this is the crack, so you have to select this one. This is the way of to say Abaqus that this is the crack. So you keep mesh separate here. Next is you need to create a crack here. I've already created a crack, so in this one you have to select a crack front and the direction of the crack propagation. Once the interaction is done, you need to go to loads. Here we want to model opening of this crack, so that means you need to apply a directionally opposite force, so which is what is applied here. There is a pressure of 140 megapascal is applied. If you want, you can apply force also. Next is mesh. You generate the mesh over this part. The approximate global size is taken in 1, and then I have used edge seeding to make the mesh finer here. This mesh type is C3D8R. Once mesh is done, you go to job, you create the job, submit the job. Once you will submit the job, you can see the stress which is being generated. One more point, if you want to find out the stress intensity factor, you go to history output, create another history output, which is history output 2, which is created here. Select the crack domain and then the crack 1, which you have already created in the interaction module. Number of contours, you can keep it as 3 and select stress intensity factor. Once all these things are done, you go to job. This is the result which you will get. Here, if you will zoom into the crack, you can see it's not clearly visible, but it's opening. If you want to see, you can see clearly it's opening. If you don't want to zoom in that much, you can go to options, common, uniform, make it 10 times. So that means all the deformations are multiplied 10 times. And you can see now the crack is opening. Thanks for watching this video. Please come back to see more videos like this.